Thanks for joining us here at Olds Performance and Machine, Olds Performance Products. I want to give you some insight onto priming. In my past videos, I've run down priming for you guys and the proper procedure and the reason why. And here we are, we have a little bit of an issue here, and I'm going to show you. It's always good to prime with the intake manifold off. This way you could see what's going on here. As you rotate the motor, and you can see how the lifters are acting. So if you go to the third one back, which is the intake valve on number 3 cylinder, and you look at this lifter here, you could see it's just gushing right out. So right now I'm going to take this rocker arm off here and find out exactly where I'll probably replace this particular lifter and see if the issue is within the lifter or maybe even within the push rod itself. All right, thanks for joining us here. If you guys have any questions or you're just inquiring regarding parts for your build, get a hold of us at 1-800-382-1320. Thanks for stopping in and joining us.